Struggling to streamline your manufacturing operations? No visual tools for production planning? Passivity in coordinating resources? Uncertainty about inventory levels to meet production orders? Lack of data for analysis of production cost and manufacturing cost? Viindoo Manufacturing Integrated Manufacturing Solution. A crucial link in supply chain management will help you address all these challenges. Fulfill comprehensive business needs, including master production scheduling, resource allocation and standardized processes, production operation optimization, inventory and supply control, manufacturing cost, master production scheduling. Automatically calculate and visualize production plans based on planned demand or actual consumption. Capture the entire manufacturing schedule, control supply planning. Follow production progress with an intuitive Gantt chart, easily adjusting as needed. Track production time for each manufacturing activity. Resource allocation and standardized processes. Control all manufacturing resources, including manpower, machines, materials. Establish time efficiency, capacity, and overall equipment efficiency, OEE. Standardize manufacturing processes from general to detailed. Set up multi-level bill of materials, BOM, to accommodate various production models. Production operation optimization. Record actual material consumption for each manufacturing order, manufacturing stage. Flexible platform easily integrates with peripheral devices, ready for smart factory. Inventory and supply control. Inventory planning based on stock on hand and demand forecast replenishment cycle. Integration of the supply chain, automatic generation of production orders, inventory replenishment to meet inventory levels for production. Manufacturing cost. Analyzing cost structure based on the ratio of consumed raw materials. Calculate unit costs arising from materials and work centers. Multidimensional reporting system. Instantly update the quantity of single unit production at each stage. Track dynamic trends. Monthly output to proactively plan production resources. Compare ideal and actual capacities to propose reasonable improvement solutions. Seamless integration. Proactively schedule preventive maintenance for machinery and equipment, ensuring capacity meets the demands of the entire production process. Automated quality control process at each stage of production. Provide SPC reports and analysis documents according to standards. Document the entire improvement process, from research and testing to approval and implementation across the entire production line. Viindoo Manufacturing seamlessly integrates with other applications within the Viindoo solution, forming a comprehensive ecosystem to accelerate the production process, meeting the business demands effectively.